If you just bought the Apple Watch Ultra 3, Apple is about to make you regret it in less than 30 seconds. The upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4 isn't just a minor incremental update. Leaked internal architecture files and supply chain reports reveal a complete structural redesign that fixes the three biggest flaws holding the Ultra lineup back. We are talking about a massive 15% reduction in body thickness, genuine multi-day battery endurance, and a game-changing biometric upgrade Apple secretly patented behind closed doors. If you want to dodge expensive tech mistakes before Apple's next major keynote, pay close attention, because this watch changes everything. For 3 straight generations, the Apple Watch Ultra lineup had one major complaint from everyday users. It feels like wearing a heavy brick on your wrist, especially when you try to track your sleep. But CAD leaks confirm Apple is finally dropping the thickness by up to 15%. How are they pulling this off without ruining durability? They aren't just shrinking internal parts. Apple completely tore up the internal architecture from scratch. Engineers restructured heat dissipation pathways and re-engineered the main logic board into a flat planar layout. This means a significantly lighter wrist feel, far better nighttime comfort, and zero loss in rugged titanium durability. You get the same indestructible adventure-ready casing, but in a refined form factor that actually feels comfortable during a 24-hour wear cycle. Smarter internal engineering unlocks one critical victory that every single Ultra buyer has been begging for: extra physical volume inside the casing. Apple is filling every single millimeter of that newfound internal space with raw battery capacity. When you combine this expanded physical battery cell with a brand new S11 efficiency silicon chip and a next-generation, ultra-low-power display driver, we are looking at a realistic 25% jump in battery life. Let's set real-world expectations. It won't suddenly turn into a basic outdoor watch that lasts 2 weeks without a charge, because that is not Apple's software vision. But for heavy power users running full GPS tracking and cellular data, that means a solid 48 hours of uninterrupted power. For light or moderate users, that pushes you well past 3 full days on a single charge. No more anxiety about leaving your magnetic charging puck behind during weekend camping trips or sudden travel delays. Hold on, here is the plot twist almost everyone missed in the latest supply chain filings. Apple has officially patented a custom capacitive fingerprint sensor embedded directly into the side action button. Tap your finger to instantly authorize Apple Pay transactions, unlock confidential health data, or verify your identity during international travel without typing a single numeric passcode on a tiny display screen. On a health and fitness tracking front, don't expect gimmick sensors that barely work. Apple is focusing strictly on surgical sensor accuracy. They are completely overhauling the optical sensor system, upgrading blood oxygen reading response times, and introducing dual-frequency GPS algorithms tailored for extreme environmental tracking. If you rely on daily biometrics, heart rate recovery stats, or precise trail mapping, these subtle hardware refinements make a massive difference over time. Now let's talk about the harsh reality of the price tag. With global production costs climbing and Apple pouring massive capital into a complete internal redesign, supply chain sources signal a potential price jump from $799 to $899. That is a $100 increase right out of the gate. Is that price bump actually justified? It depends on where you are coming from. If you already own an Ultra 3 with active cellular and solid battery health, holding out for another cycle might be the smartest financial move. But if you are still wearing an original Ultra 1, an Ultra 2, or a standard aluminum series watch, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is shaping up to be Apple's single biggest hardware jump in half a decade. Now, if you want to see the secret M5 chip upgrade coming to Apple's next device lineup that no one else is talking about, click the video appearing on your screen right now before Apple forces it offline.